All right, we're back again.
I don't want a long video.
I left him on the cliffhanger. You're talking about your student who failed. Go on.
She failed in Hendon.
Yeah, go on. What?
She did bay parking at the end.
Yeah.
Perfectly in the bay.
Yes, go on.
The examiner says, have you finished?
Yeah.
She says no.
Yeah.
She went forward.
Yeah.
She come back between the two lines. Yeah. She said, now I finished. Yeah. Do you like it? He said, yeah, you failed. Thank you very much. No. Oh my God.
My student, I'm not kidding you, this is years ago. Poor girl, she was actually a lovely driver. Had a lot of issues like health-wise, right? So she was really fighting, you know, to drive. Anyway, family also pressure because, you know, being an Asian girl, they didn't really want her to drive, all of this stuff, yeah? She does it. We're in Pinner, this is years ago. Comes into the bay and she's reversing in. She's like this, yeah? And she has come, so I'll show you like that, yeah? Just almost touching the line, but like really close.
Is inside or over the line?
Inside.
Is this acceptable?
Yes. What did she think? No, I need to be equal. She wanted to be equal. So she comes out of the bay, starts parking like this, starts going out, starts coming. She finished like this on the line. She had passed the driving test and she threw it away, poor girl. And I still feel bad for her.
I want to do something for these people who has a test.
Yeah,
I want to do moving off and stopping.
Yeah.
Very quick things for the maneuvers.
Hold on, let me just save that. Go on. Start that again. Yeah, go on. What do you want to do? What's your plan now? What's your plan?
Very short, very small tips.
Yeah, go on.
In the test, it doesn't matter how much Ahmed, how much Bobby prepare you for the test.
Yeah.
There is always something will happen that is require you to deal with it in the very safe manner.
Yeah.
So, you are driving, Ahmed. Police come from behind. It never happened in the test.
Yeah.
But it never happened in your lesson. I apologize. But it happened in the test. It happened in the test.
Yeah, it happens, yeah.
You should be able to understand. You should know what to do. Wait until the car behind stop, then you stop. Mirror signal. As soon as the police pass, you go. Because if you don't, the car behind you overtake, and you stuck on the left.
Yeah, correct. Go on.
I want to do moving off and stopping for them. I want them to
learn. You want to do that now, yeah?
Yeah. Can we do that?
Okay, so we're going to stop now. We're going to do a proper lesson now and see how Bobby does it.